UV 3D Label Production Tutorial. First, you need to prepare image and texture you want. Open up Photoshop software. Create new canvas and adjust the size. Import your image and adjust its size. You need to select and separate the area that you want for both of those layers, using Magic Wand tool to do so. Press Ctrl and J to separate the area, and rename it as White Ink Layer to identify it easily. Then use Magic Wand tool to select the varnish area that you want to put some texture on it. In this time, open up the texture file and select the texture. Press M to frame select the area and press Ctrl and J and Ctrl and C to copy the area. Back to the process. Press Ctrl and V to paste the texture layer and Ctrl and T to adjust its size. Select the former layer for its area, then press Ctrl and J to create the texture layer that is in the area we want. Press Delete to delete the extra layer and rename it as Varnish Layer. And you can do some adjustment to improve both white and varnish layers. After you create those layers, you need to create their own spot channel. In this demonstration, the varnish channel is spot to channel. The white ink channel is spot 1 channel, which will be used in the rip part that we will teach you how to rip this file. Remember the order you place those to channels. Finally, save it as TIFF format. Please make sure you have watched the complete video and understood all the points. If you have any questions, please contact our technical staff.